Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to fix the download failed network error on Google Chrome. The first method is to check your internet speed. Go to Speed Test by Ookla, then click Go. Wait for the software to analyze your network speed and compare your speed with the average internet speed in your region. If your speed is significantly lower, contact your internet service provider for assistance. The second method is to adjust your antivirus software settings. Click on the Start menu, then type Avast and press Enter. Select from the menu on the top right corner and open Settings, then navigate to Protection. Choose the Core Shields tab and uncheck the box next to Enable HTTPS scanning. Try downloading your file again. Just note that you need to remember to re-enable HTTPS scanning once the download is complete to maintain security. And finally, if nothing works, just try incognito mode. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.